Hey, adrenaline junkies! Welcome to Mind Shift, where the thrill never stops and the excitement is off the charts. Get ready for heart-pounding chases, jaw-dropping action, and the most intense moments ever caught on camera. If you crave the ultimate rush, you're in the right place. Buckle up and let's get that adrenaline pumping. "70% of animal vehicle collisions are caused by deer. In the USA alone, about 2.1 million deer are killed each year. These accidents occur because deer cross the road in forested areas on both sides of the highway. About 59,000 drivers worldwide are injured each year due to these accidents. It is imperative that the authorities take steps to control these accidents. Driving carefully by drivers can also help control these accidents.
Oh my God. Oh.
This motorcyclist was riding on a road that had fallen through a forest area when he suddenly encountered an accident. He was hit by a deer that suddenly jumped across the road in the middle of the forest. Fortunately, neither he nor the deer were seriously injured. Road accidents occur because animals controlled by farmers, such as sheep and goats, cross the highways. This causes accidents that cause great losses to both the farmer and the driver. There are many accidents that cause great losses to the farmer and the driver. They are even sad to watch.
überrannt. Scheiße.
Accidents also occur when horses run and jump across the roads and collide with vehicles. Here are some such accidents. At the same time, bears running across the roads in the middle of the forest also collide with speeding vehicles. These accidents cause a huge number of injuries to bears and vehicles. If drivers drive carefully, these accidents will be reduced to some extent. These videos show elephants attacking vehicles on the road. Such accidents are mostly reported in South Asian countries like India and Sri Lanka. Road accidents also occur due to cows, bulls, and cows being loaded on vehicles. It is common for a large number of cows to die due to these accidents. Due to this, farmers have to bear huge losses. Such accidents also occur due to the stupid driving of some drivers. Some accidents also occur due to crocodiles crossing the road. Road accidents also occur due to wild boars breaking through the jungle thickets. Such accidents mostly occur at night. Therefore, such accidents can be prevented by driving carefully on roads that are close to forest thickets at night. There are also cases where wild boars and other small animals break into cultivated land and destroy crops and eat the crops. Therefore, when harvesting by machine, there are instances where these animals collide with the machines.